2.
Hi, I'm Roger Hicks, the Hair Truck Center, 3477 Connor Street, Noblesville. And today we got a special for you. We have a 2017 Chevy 4500 low cab Ford HD diesel with a 16-foot box by Morgan. And this is a special. This vehicle lists with the box for over $65,000. Yet today we're going to let it go for $47,819 to a happy, lucky customer. As you can see, we have E-track, solid flooring here, and when you can put in over 5,500 pounds of payload, has a translucent roof. Coming around to the side here, easy area for fill. Of course, again, the body by Morgan Company. Our chassis is air conditioning. As I said, it's a 5.2 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine, number one selling diesel in the world. 6-speed automatic transmission. We have tilt steering wheel, speed controls, CD player, Bluetooth, air conditioning, windows, and locks. This vehicle is the workhorse of America. Comes with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty. And it is 100% ready to go, and we are eager to find it a good home. It's done a lot of great work for us here as a demonstrator. We have our own service department here too, so they'll take care of you. Once again, Roger Hicks at the Hair Truck Center, Noblesville, 317-674-1472. Thank you and have a great Chevy day.